Hi, can I please have 3 spicy beef patties and one with cocoa bread?
How many?
3 spicy beef patties.
One with cocoa, 2 in one bag?
Yeah. So this is the first stop on our quest to find the best Jamaican beef patty in the GTA. This is Allan's Pastry Shop in Scarborough, and I got the spicy beef patty right here. Not bad. And here's the spicy patty in a cocoa bun. But yeah, this place got a decent amount of beef. Sometimes not so much, sometimes a little more. But yeah, that's what it looks like. It's pretty flaky. Probably one of the flakiest ones that I've had. But yeah, Allan's Pastry Shop in Scarborough. That's a lot of bread. I don't know why anybody would want that much carbs from one little sandwich. Like, it's bread on bread. There's a little bit of meat. I don't know, unless you're doing a job where you're sweating balls all day, I don't understand why you would, I don't know, maybe some people just like bread. But maybe if you put in some coleslaw or something in here or something else, maybe cheese, I don't know. I don't know if cheese goes with beef patties, but yeah, this is just way too much bread. It tastes good. Bread doesn't taste like coconut. So I don't know. I personally don't really like patties and cocoa buns, but just got this for the video. But there it is. And this here is the spicy beef patty. This looks very different from usual places. It's got like that angle on it. Super crispy. Not crispy, what's the word? Flaky. This is destroying my work truck, but whatever. Yeah, there's the meat. Like, it's not like a really crazy amount. There's enough in there, but yeah, super flaky, and the flavor's pretty good. It's a little bit spicy, but not really. Like, I think a little kid could eat this. But anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna give this one 9.1. 9.2, sorry. Yeah. Anyways, on to the next one. I've never thought of this before. I know I was just complaining about too much bread, but double patty that so you get a little more meat.